What up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my small living room YouTube studio, quote unquote. You know, a lot of people have been questioning me about what I do, and it's not as expensive as you think. I'm in a small living room corner, and we're going to show you how I take it from this to this to this in today's video. Let's go. Let's get straight into it. All right, so let's learn how I took my living room, turned it to a little corner YouTube studio, and it's not as expensive as you think. Let's talk about the lights, right? I have two lights, just two lights. The first light is going to be the newer key light. I have it on the screen. They no longer make these lights, and I would purchase the newer 150 watt CB 150. It's at a price point around $230. If you watch most videos, they're gonna tell you put it at a 45-degree angle. I'm in a smaller space, so you don't really need that. I'm literally in a corner of my living room. I put it right above the camera just so the edge is on or above the camera to let the camera take in some more light. The second light that I do have, though, because of the tone of my body and, you know, having a browner tone, I have another light facing at a 45-degree angle, but it's a smaller light. It's a multi-purpose light. The Zion Molis G60 is a price point of $249.99 if I'm correct. I place it at a 45-degree angle on my right side, and I literally use it at a 1% as far as the power usage, because I don't need that much light. So all it does is offset the shadows of the video that you see. It is a multi-purpose light, so the price point is kind of high, but the usage is awesome. It's travel size. It comes in this little kit. Let me show you. It comes in this little kit that you can take with you. I actually reached out to them. They sent me a free extender for vlogging, and I asked them could I showcase this, and they told me I could. So shout out to them. This is awesome if you're not like a professional and you just want to have a good light for like shooting in a car or doing parties, and you still want to get that feel of a professional video, but you're not a professional video, I don't know, photographer or whatever you want to call it. This is the perfect light that I would suggest. It comes with a honeycomb box, a soft box, and it also comes with another light dome to where you can get a brighter effect if you want to. So this is a good buy for me. I would never ever return this, and I would take this with me when I travel. I know it sucks, but we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you learned something so far in the video and you want to learn more. So next, let's get into the sound, right? Because most of the videos that you guys watch and you do not skip through is because not only does it have good lighting, but most of the time it has good sound. Now, this mic that I'm using that you see right here is only $100, and it's the Video Mic Go 2. And I love this mic because you can use it as a digital sound, or you can connect it to your camera, whatever camera you have, and you can use it as analog, and you can use it to vlog. So this is a perfect multi-use mic for very cheap. If you go anything above that, you're looking at $200, $300 range. You can hear the sound quality right now. So let's talk about the camera that I'm using. It's the Sony ZV-E10, but you can get it as the standalone camera without the kit at the price point of $698. I would not get the kit lens with that, because you're gonna wanna switch it out as soon as you get that camera. You're gonna realize that your videos are not looking as professional as you would like with that kit lens, and the first thing you're gonna do is switch out that kit lens. So just buy the camera by itself, because you're gonna want to upgrade as soon as you get it. Which takes me to the lens that I'm actually using, which is the Sigma 16mm 1.4 aperture. This is also the lens that you see me using right now on the screen, videotaping my kid at the park. This lens comes in at a whopping $344. It is very cheap. I found it on Amazon for under $400. Next, let's talk about the lighting. You see the colors. All the colors you see behind me, those are going to be called RGB lights. And the two main ones that you see right here above me, the purple and the blue, they're both going to come from iToning. They're priced at $69.99. You can get them at a kit for under $100. So let's talk about the light that you see right here. You see it right there? It's like a little It's like a little pink light right there. That is going to be the Ulanzi RGB light. I think it's the V11110. I'm going to put it right here on the screen. It comes in right under $50. But what I do love about these lights is that they are travel size. They switch all type of colors. They connect together magnetically, so you can just extend it as you need to. They're powerful enough that if you wanted to use them as a rim light or key lights in small areas when you travel, they're strong enough to do that. And for $50, you can't get better than that. That is pretty much everything that I use to have this whole setup that you see in a little small corner in the living room. But there are two different things that I want you to have to get in order to get this so-called cinematic feel that you're looking at right now, and that's going to be the Freewell ND Mist. That ND Mist is going to stop you from getting such a sharper image. When you first get your Sony or whatever camera you get and you're recording in a high quality, you're going to start exporting your videos and noticing that you have a sharper image. And this ND filter at the price point of $100, just under $100, was the best one that I found. Actually, I think this is a little bit above. It's like 110. I'll put it on the screen. This was the best one that I found that was cheaper, but still allowed me to give a cinematic feel. It's a 2 to 5 stop, and it allows me to adjust when you're outside in order to adjust that light that's coming into your camera, so you can still have your camera settings set in the same, but yet still have that cinematic feel. So this is $109. It's a good, cheaper option to get a cinematic feel to your videos so they're not as sharp. The second bonus that I want you to learn is when you get your camera and you get your ND filter and you get your lights and you get your RGB in your background, I want you to learn what S-Log2 is. I record in S-Log2, and then I know how to color my video. Now, this is how you see such vibrant colors right now, and you see such a cinematic feel to it, and it's more smooth. It's because I use S-Log2, and then I color my videos afterwards. It took me hours and hours of video searching and learning on my own, and that's what you see now. So that was a quick video. This is my setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to put links in the description to every single item that you see in this video that I talked about, and you can click that link and it'll take you right to that item. Go ahead and subscribe if you learned something. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave in the comment below. Oh, by the way, I am going to also put a link on the stands that I have everything propped up on, and the front for the camera and the two lights, because they're not on the tripod, they are connected to my desk. I just didn't feel like it was important enough to like place in the video, but I'll put another description of it and a link below as well. Thank you guys. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I just want to do this video really quick. I know it's hard starting your YouTube channel. I started mine over a year ago, and I'm still doing this. I'm learning as I go. You guys can join the ride and learn with me. All right, 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.